Yesterday, the Ministry of External Affairs said that 15 more countries will now recognize India's COVID-19 vaccination certificate. MEA spokesperson Arindam Bagchi informed in his tweet that the new additions include Australia, Bangladesh, Belarus, Georgia, Iran, Kazakhstan, Lebanon, Nepal, Nicaragua, Philippines, San Marino, Singapore, Switzerland, Turkey, and Ukraine. Earlier this month, the Union Health Ministry issued guidelines for international arrivals from countries that have an agreement with India on mutual recognition of vaccination certificates of nationally recognized or WHO recognized vaccines, and countries which presently do not have such an agreement with India but exempt Indian citizens fully vaccinated with nationally recognized or WHO recognized vaccines. The travellers from all such countries which provide quarantine-free entry to Indians are allowed certain relaxations on arrival. If a traveller is fully vaccinated and coming from a country with which India has reciprocal arrangements for mutual acceptance of WHO-approved COVID-19 vaccines, they shall be allowed to leave the airport and need not undergo home quarantine. They shall self-monitor their health for 14 days after arrival. If partially or not vaccinated, the travellers need to undertake measures which include submission of sample for post-arrival COVID-19 test at the point of arrival, after which they will be allowed to leave the airport, home quarantine for 7 days, retest on the 8th day of arrival in India, and if negative, further self-monitor of their health for next 7 days. Travellers from countries excluding those countries at risk will be allowed to leave the airport and shall self-monitor their health for 14 days post-arrival. This is applicable to travellers from all countries, including countries with which reciprocal arrangements for mutual acceptance of WHO-approved COVID-19 vaccines also exist.